Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Satoshi Sean, glad to be hanging out with you. Glad you're here. If it's your first time here, or if you've been here a million times but you have not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and the bell for notification. Try to get out as much content as possible. Whether it's shows, do a Trick Tuesday every week, crypto meme review, crypto rednecks, interviews, which I have a bunch lined up. Reviews, news, just whatever. I try to get as much as I can out and to be informative and entertaining. Definitely entertaining. Today I'm going to do a follow-up, if we can call it that, review of PrimeXBT. It is an exchange. I talked about them and did a review like 4 or 5 years ago, so it's really not a follow-up, but it's kind of a follow-up. At the time, they were, let me switch over here. Also, please leave a comment and hit the like button. Really helps me out with YouTube's algorithm. Also, leave a comment and you're registered to win yourself some crypto. Give away crypto on every crypto meme review, crypto rednecks. All you have to do to re-register to win yourself some crypto is leave a comment and subscribe. And I choose a random comment picker to pick that and give it away. So when I first talked about PrimeXBT and they asked me to check it out again, it was a very innovative exchange. They were kind of ahead of their time when it came to a lot of stuff. But it was a little bit. One of the craziest things is you could just do 100x leverage. That was it. Wasn't a lot of control. 100x leverage, which is just kind of bonkers. But you had a lot of things that you could trade, a lot of things you could do it for. They had this thing, it was like a gambling thing where you can, where will the price of, Bitcoin or whatever be in like 30 seconds. They actually had a copy trading first. They were one of the first exchanges to ever come up with copy trading. They called it something different though. What was it? No, it was not called copy trading. It's called like follow trading or something. But they were literally one of the first exchanges to do that. They have grown. They're still around years and years later. They have great scores. They have an app. Used to just be on Apple and Google Play. Now you can get it on Android, Google Play, or Apple. Like I said, they've been around for years and years. Great reviews. Into deposits and withdrawals, they have a bunch of them, over 100 plus, as well as like Visa, MasterCard, the usual stuff. So I'm going to go over the cool things. First, they fixed that where you're not stuck at 100x leverage anymore, but they did keep the insanity because you can trade at up to 200x. I would do that for fun if I'd been drinking, perhaps. I would do something, but not with much money, because that's whack. That's what I could do. But you can bring it all the way down to 1x leverage if you want to. I'll show you the tools. Always been great tools, really really good tools. But you can trade gold. You can trade stocks. You can trade, obviously crypto. It's very very broad. Let me see. And they've been around, like I said, for a while. They got over 500,000 followers on Twitter. They just added, you can trade Netflix now. As far as stocks, trade the S&P 500, NASDAQ, so on. But so been around for a while. So they are license regulated, transparent trading conditions. You can exchange your crypto, which is basically just a swap. You can, it'll swap it out right there for whatever you wanted to and withdraw it or change it into. You can trade Forex. I don't know if I went over Forex. You can trade Forex, crypto, indices, gold. I mean silver, obviously, but that goes with the I forget the word. Commodities. It goes long. You trade commodities. You can manage your crypto and use their wallet. It's an exchange, so you you should always kind of use Cold Wallet. But anyway, they have a good VIP program. You can, like I said, indices, commodities. You can trade shares of popular companies like Meta, Google, Tesla, now Netflix, cryptocurrencies, and Forex. So here's the thing that I thought was cool, and they to be, you know, their credit, they were one of the innovative things that they had is when they first started, they had a demo account. You could, and they call it, they call it a practice account. That's really what it is. I think that's a better word than demo, because this is what you should use it for. You should use it to practice when you're learning, so you're not risking. You know, that's how most people learn to trade. They learn the basics, and then they go in and use it, and they try to trade with like $20, $50, and you know, you lose money in the beginning because you don't know what you're learning. But you can learn and not have to risk that, you know, couple $100 to learn those, to, you know, make those mistakes and learn those lessons. Buy crypto in a few clicks. Sure, you can, you know, use their wallet if you want to. Deposit, Visa, MasterCard, bank transfer, Binance Pay, a lot. I do like I'll show you in a sec, but you can, when you click on the, I'll show you. It takes you to a lot of news as far as the industry. So you're a lot more, we don't have to go searching out for a lot of your information. You can kind of stay in one place. And there's the stuff on the app. They have good bonuses for you to come in and earn some, you know, money for trading and to kill fees. And it is easy to start up. There's all their socials. I'm going to leave links below to everything. Now let's go check out the actual website. Or there's the website, but where I'm logged in. Hold on. Okay, so here we are. This is logged in. I think I'm on my, so I'm on the demo account here. You can see here, they have, like I said, really good tools. It used to be a lot more technical, which is a funny thing because I've needed to get this review done for a while. I've been kind of putting it off because I've had a lot of stuff going on and problems. But I watched the review I did like 5 years ago, and I said the same thing in the beginning. But you can now change this to where you have the ability to change this from the leverage, you know, go all the way down, 2x leverage, and set it at that. So if you want to do 5, so we'll do 10x leverage. You have your practice account, demo account to use. Copy trading is there. They now call it copy trading. Crypto futures. Where are we at here? All the info on the copy trades. The exchange, like I said, it's just a basic swap. It's very simple to use. You know, you can pick what you want to use from your different accounts. So I do. And then here on the more promo codes, referral program, they have an affiliate program. If you click on the market research, it takes you here to where tons of news articles, everything's here in one place. I like it. It's cool. So like I said, I'll leave links below so you can check out PrimeXBT. Like I said, they've been around for a long time. And like I said, they have demo accounts here or demo accounts here for either one. I do like how they've fixed a lot of the things to give you some more control. But let me know what you think. Hit me up in the comments below. Remember, comment so you're registered to win yourself some crypto. That is about it. I am Satoshi Sean. It was good hanging out with you. And I will see you all in the next video.